Good morning, everyone. It's Carolyn. Welcome back to Contemporary Mama and another episode of my spring cleaning series. Today, I'm going to be tackling my living room, and I sort of debated even filming this because I thought it wouldn't take me that long. For those of you that have followed my channel for a while, I've done a lot of work in this room, getting it decluttered, getting all the toys out of it down in the basement. So it is a pretty simple and minimalist room. However, it did end up taking me quite a bit of time. So I'm going to take you along, show you everything on my checklist for cleaning my living room. And I really hope that you get some inspiration and motivation to do the same in your house. So I wanted to get started by doing some organizing. So as you can see, I took everything out of this piece of furniture. I have never actually organized this before. We just kind of throw stuff in here, and it really needed to be sort of sorted out and organized. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now, cleaning out all the drawers, seeing what I actually want to put in here and what needs to be put away somewhere else.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me so clueless.
If anyone has any really good storage solutions for essential oils, I would love for you to send them my way. I just kind of throw them in this drawer, but they're definitely not organized at all.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young.
I would love to know who is using this quarantine to work on their homes. Are you working on any decluttering projects, home improvement? Leave me a comment and let me know.
Forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Now, you saw this cart in one of my Declutter Like a Mother videos. It's working out really well to store my kids' art supplies. However, a ton of stuff just gets piled on top. My son does like multiple paintings every single day. So sometimes, you just have to get rid of them. You can't keep them all. So I'm just clearing off the top so that it's just not overflowing anymore. So that actually takes care of all kind of the organizing and decluttering part of this, and I can actually start cleaning now. I'm going to attempt to go top to bottom because that just makes sense. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of dusting. As you can see, my ceiling fan, my TV, all the furniture, putting away my Easter decorations that, yes, are still out. Those have to get put away for sure. I am really sorry about the lighting in these next few clips. It is so hard to film facing a window. It just makes everything appear so dark. So I do apologize for that, but I did want to throw this in because I rarely clean my windows. It's just something that is almost never on my to-do list, probably because my kids aren't tall enough to reach most of the windows. They don't get that dirty. But I did end up wiping down all of the windows as well as our sliding glass door after I spent like 5 minutes peeling off all the stickers that were on it.
So clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime moments. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we young, we young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we young, we young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
So this right here was the number one item on my to-do list. I really wanted to get this couch pushed away from the wall because there was so much dust and crumbs just exploding out from underneath it. And it's just impossible to vacuum under it. It's just too low to the ground. So you really got to go ahead and move it away from the wall if you even want to have a chance of getting anything cleaned behind it. So I went around and vacuumed. I actually ended up having to sweep a little bit too because some of the crumbs were so big. And then I tried to do a really thorough cleaning by wiping down the baseboards and mopping that area behind the couch as well.
Think I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game.
And then once I was done with that, I just went around and quickly wiped down the couch. This is again something I rarely do, but since the couch is leather, it is pretty easy to clean.
I know I can win right now. You got me up tonight, cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. It's the right time, you feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. I think I'll do it on my way.
If you're not already following me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle here on the screen, and it's always linked in the description box of my videos. I just love connecting with you guys over there.
I'm gonna show you what I'm going through, get you out of your comfort zone, cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day.
Now that all the cleaning and dusting is pretty much done, I just have to work on the floors. So I'm just going around in sections, starting with vacuuming and mopping under my rug, getting my rug all nicely vacuumed. I wish that I could rent one of those carpet cleaners, but in a global pandemic, it just does not seem like a safe idea. So vacuuming will have to do for now. And then I'm just going to finish up by mopping all the floors as well.
I won't stop like the others. I will stay. Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me up tonight, cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around. It's the right time, you feeling about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
I also wanted to make sure to wash the covers on my pillows, all the blankets in the living room, and the covers of my kids' little Pottery Barn chairs. Those really needed to be washed. I don't think they've been washed since we bought them over a year ago.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
It was a serious struggle to get those covers back on those Pottery Barn chairs. We were wrestling with them for like over 10 minutes, so I really sped that up for you guys.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the road.
At this point in time, I was all done cleaning and about to call it a day, but I did manage to convince my husband to put together this bookshelf for me. I have been wanting to add a bookshelf to this room for quite some time. It is pretty minimal, which is more my style, but I thought it would be a great way to add some color and decor into the room. So that is going to be it for this video. I am all done for today, totally exhausted, but really proud of everything that I accomplished. I absolutely cannot wait for this pandemic to be over so I can go running to Home Goods and grab some more cute decor pieces to that bookshelf. I definitely had in mind a nice big basket of blankets all the way at the bottom. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas, but I hope that you found this video motivating, that you maybe got some ideas for spring cleaning in your own home. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Friday with another brand new video. Bye, guys.
This is what we